Hi friends, this is my rosemary plant. Many people have questions about herbs. Which are the annual herbs or perennial herbs? The herbs can be either perennial or annuals. When we talk about perennial or annual, I'm talking about New Jersey or Zone 6B. First we talk about the annual plants. First we can talk about the annual herbs. Rosemary is annual in New Jersey. Annual means they will not survive winter. They will die out during winter if you keep them outdoors. The annual herbs, if you want to overwinter them, you need to bring them indoors. Rosemary will not survive outdoors in cold weather. Number 2 is basil. Basil also is an annual in New Jersey. They cannot survive the winter, but you can see basil will drop their seeds. They self-seed and the seeds can sprout in the coming spring. Cilantro also is an annual herb. This can be grown from coriander seeds. Cilantro is a cool season herb. Next, let's talk about the perennial herbs. This is lavender. Lavender will survive winter. They are winter hardy and they can survive winter. Next is mint. They are also perennials. They also come back after winter. This is oregano. This also is a perennial and this will come back next year. They can survive the winter. This is a lemon balm. Lemon balm also is a perennial herb. This also will come back next year. This is chives. This also is a perennial. It will grow back next year. This will also self-seed and new baby plants also sprouts in spring. This is a citronella plant. This is famous for repelling mosquitoes. Citronella is an annual in New Jersey. It's not edible. It has a strong smell which repels mosquitoes.